juga Andre, kayak Samson.
Gila-gilaan lu. Gua sama Samson mah kerenan gua kali.
Andre,
Iya.
gua udah bilang ngeband nggak sih?
Nat, enaknya gimana ya? Kita jadi rapper nggak ya?
Yes.
We are at the premiere of Indonesian student film, independent film, and we are going to interview the audience, the cast member, and also the producer and the directors. Let's check it out. What do you think watching locally made Melbourne film by Indonesian student compare with overseas film?
I think the biggest difference is that it's a more personal film. It's a story that's grounded in a lot of Indonesian students' lives. I think a lot of Indonesian students could relate to what they watched in the movie. And also I think it showcased Melbourne as well, what a beautiful city we have with all of the scenery and landmarks and what have you. It's educational too.
I think it's really great. It's comparable standards, and it didn't even feel like we were watching an independent sort of movie. It's really good.
Well, of course it's different in terms of like, because we have different expectation of an overseas, and that one is a different experience. But I guess this Karo-Kendo, it's awesome. Like the quality is really good, so I'm proud. I mean, like as Indonesian, I'm really proud, especially this is the first project, so I think it was good.
Can you tell us about your characters in the film?
My character was very talkative, open-minded. I just said what I think at that time.
My character was Lira, and she's a loud, cheerful, and bubbly girl.
Damar has this stubborn characteristic where he gets angry all the time.
I play as Natal in the Kendo movie, and my character is a shy girl, quiet and mysterious.
Duta is kind of a boy that's introvert. He's very quiet. He's the cousin of Damar.
How do you get involved in this film?
Well, I was involved in the church, especially the ministry. They asked me to play this movie, and I was just helping out.
Because I write some songs, I sing, but I don't really act. They don't know. I myself, I don't know that I can act or not. So I just give it a try, and I also help in the music and everything. Yeah.
We are actually from friends, from one church as well. So they say that let's make a movie, and then we say okay. They asked me to join, and well, here I am.
We are in the same church, and we have suddenly we have a vision of making a movie, and then they asked us to involve in the movie.
Last summer they said, "Can you play this summer?" And then I said, "Yes." And then after that I got involved in the movie for some reason. I don't know why.
What sort of acting in the past have you done before?
Actually, we haven't done anything. Yeah,
we haven't.
This is like our first time.
Yeah.
So you don't have experience acting before?
No.
Basically just being yourself?
Not really. That's a hard question. Yeah. I'll just be honest.
Which one is your favorite part in the movie?
My favorite part, I think the scene where Kendo is just standing alone, and then the camera was sort of like going around him.
I just really love the scenes like in the churches, and just the use of lights and the way they made the film, because I do a lot of video work myself. I really appreciated the way they made that.
Yeah.
I thought it was really cool, but it was a very funny film, very well made for these guys, so I take my hat off to them. Well done.
Natal was praying in church. That was really touching for me. Yeah, and well, the whole thing is a good package. I guess I like them all. Yeah.
How about you, Lydia?
I like the part where I don't really like to cry, but I really like the part where they hugged in the end, and like I don't know, the whole friendship thing being built up, and like the humor in between as well, like where Duta like smacked his face with that cream in there. I really found that funny.
For me personally, probably the strong message that that movie held, and that message is about God and about the importance of a belief system when times are tough. And I think the character Nat and all the problems that she had with her health and her reliance on God and the friendships that were there was probably the most beautiful part. Yeah.
Meratap tangis terseduh, semang menyakitiku, sejuta musibah, tetapi dia tiba.
Menurut saya itu kado yang terbaik yang kamu bisa berikan kepada orang yang menyakitimu adalah pengampunan.
Why did you choose the title of Kado Kendo for this film?
We believe Kado Kendo sounds catchy, and Kado Kendo means actually Kendo's gift. Is actually what we wanted to give the message they want to put across. Basically, we just want a concept that is easy to digest, that people in Melbourne, Indonesian people in Melbourne can actually relate to. So we give this something about friendship, something about daily life, music, daily life of an Indonesian student in Melbourne. And how we gather the members, well, it's basically IFGF. We have a big family of church people, and everybody is very excited for this project. And a lot of people volunteer, and some who is really good in writing stuff.
Some is really good in acting.
Yeah, so we just all together we brainstorm the ideas and come to a Kado Kendo.
Do you think there should be more local movie by Indonesian students?
Yeah, I think that would be a great idea. I think there's a very big market out there for amateur production, and it also gives an opening for many people who are interested in filmmaking and performance to showcase their talents.
There are lots of media and communication students here in Melbourne, and we've got all the talents, we've got all the resources. Then why not?
Yes, I think there should be more. I just seeing the scenery and knowing that it's my city, I thought it was really cool, and I think more Melbourneian people would really appreciate that.
With the success of Kado Kendo, I feel like a lot of more Indonesian students, Indonesian people in general, they will try and do the same thing, I guess, which is good for Indonesians as a whole.
It's a start.
Yeah, it's a start.
You are watching
Satu TV.
Satu TV.
You are watching Satu TV.
Satu TV.
Satu TV.
We are Satu TV.
Satu TV.
We are Satu TV.
We are Satu TV.
Suara lu boleh juga Andre, kayak Samson.